Jennifer. I am back at Cracker Barrel and they have Easter out, you guys. All right, in full disclosure, before we get started, this is being filmed over 2 different visits just so I can give you as much content and show you more of everything that they have out for Easter. So if you notice a nail polish change or different sleeve colors, that's why. So let's dig in. Let's start with their classic little salt and pepper shakers. Again, these normally went for 99 cents, but I think the price has changed. I'll put it on the screen if that's the case. So they have this little bunny here holding the bouquet of yellow flowers, and that one has the 3 holes on the top. There's also this one here holding the bouquet of pink flowers, and that one has the 2 holes on top. They have the cute little Easter eggs with the yellow flowers and the one with the purple flowers. They also have these little bundle of 3 carrots. And this is probably my favorite one for this year is the little brown bunny. And they have new chick ones. These are different than the ones they've had in past years. So they have the one with the pink eggshell and polka dots, and they have the one in the purple eggshell with the little curly cues there. And if you don't know, if you haven't been with me for very long, I have a little display of these little chicks that have this very kind of simple face on them. A whole little collection of these, so I will probably be picking these up today. I did find out that all of these little salt and pepper shakers are now $1.49 each. So the price did change a little bit. They have this little bunny shelf sitter here for $7. They also have these little ceramic eggs here. It's just decor. They're going to be $2.99 each. They all have this sort of marbly, iridescent look to them in the yellow, pink, green, and blue, and purple as well. They have some egg-shaped chalk for $5. This really cute wood block sign of the flowers is going to be $7. There's also this rabbit lamp here. It's a little light. I'll try and get the price here in just a second, but how cute is that? And he is going to be $25. They also have this wood block of the bunnies. It has the 2 here, so you can pull out the one with the plaid on there. That is also going to be $20. That's really pretty. I like the dark wood on this too. There's a couple more of these salt and pepper shakers that I found in the tulips in the yellow and this kind of a pinky purple color. I found the classic tale of Peter Rabbit in a hardcover, which is really nice. $13 for that. They also have this here. It's by Legend of the Dogwood. There's a whole history of it. I'll kind of put that on the screen and you can take a screen capture if you want to read that. But it shows the crucifixion scenes on each of the 4 points of this cross. They also have these 2 little chicks under the umbrella here. So you got the one in the purple boots and the blue boots, or kind of a teal boot. This is completely covered in glitter. It's going to be $13. And then we have Peter Rabbit on this salt and pepper set. So the bunny comes out and he has the 2 holes on it. So probably the pepper, and the flowers have the 3 holes for the salt on this little green tricycle that's in metal. The salt and pepper shakers are ceramic, and that is going to be $13. They have this really cute bunny here in the white frosted glass. It's a candle. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like, oh, what does that smell like? It's very sugary smelling. Oh, it brings me back to childhood. Sweet tarts. It smells like sweet tarts. That's what it is. That is really cute. And that's going to be $17. They also have this really cute one here with the yellow daffodils in the egg cup. This is all metal, so it's going to be $15. It's probably, I don't know, 8 inches tall or so. Really cute, actually. And behind that, there's this cute little bunny with the 2 pink tulips. That's going to be $19.99. I know we've seen things similar to this mostly at Hobby Lobby, but I've also seen them at Ross. But I think they're all a little bit different. So this one has the 2 pink tulips on it. I'm trying not to move their whole display around here, so I can't get the price because it's on the bottom of the box behind this little bunny tree. But they have this little bunny tree here. It's called the Light Up Ceramic Easter Bunny Tree. I will try and get the price and put it on the screen for you so you know what it is, but that is so cute. It's probably 8 or 9 inches tall on that. I love the little feet popping out at the bottom of that. That's adorable. They have a few glitter globes for this collection as well. So we have this one with the 2 bunnies in the car. Super cute. They also have this glitter globe of the egg. The base is a metallic pink there. It has the little flower on top, which is cute. That's going to be $30. There's also this light up here. They're calling it the cracked glass egg with the bunnies on it. It's going to be $25. It takes batteries and it just looks like that. So you don't need to plug it in or anything. That is really sweet. They also have the Peter Rabbit, kind of like a Jack-in-the-Box, but a Peter Rabbit in a box. It's going to be $28. And when he pops up, he looks like that. This wall decor sign is so pretty. It's a nice heavy duty piece of wood here. It does have the jute rope hanger. It's going to be $20 for that. Just love all the details on there. And Easter written out in the purple is a raised applique on it, and the lettering has glitter on it. If there is one thing here I wanted to get, it would be this. It's going to be $25 for this wood bunny serve bowl. I think that is so cute. You could stand it up and use it for decor. You could actually lay it down and use it to serve some goodies on there. I think that is absolutely adorable. Okay, let's talk blow molds. So we have this large one here with the eggs in the basket, which is so cute. That's probably 4 feet tall, 3.5 to 4 feet tall on that. And that's going to be $60. And then they have this one here. This is the side view. I'll show you the front in a second. This one is also about 3 feet tall. This one's going to be $50, $49.99 on that one. Let's see what the front looks like. There we go. There's the front, and that's why I wanted to show you the side view, because they have a lot of boxes in front of this one. But you can see it has that blue bow tie there on the front. That is really cute. They have this blow mold here with the bunny rabbit hugging the carrot. That's going to be $60. And this adorable rabbit blow mold here. So cute. It's probably only about 2 feet tall. It's going to be $50 for that. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so they have these tiny little bunnies here. These are going to be $3.99. So I'm seeing this little blue one. They have this in the purple and the little sit down bunny in the white, and this cutie here in the yellow. Right, we also have this surfboard here with the bunny in the wood and the little cheese knife, and that's going to be $20. They have this cute little water bottle here, this little tumbler for $15. Keep on trucking. And can we just take a minute to see how cute this little chick water globe is, the glitter globe? So sweet. And this cutie is going to be $40. And I found another one of these bunny with a single rose. So there's a pair. This one's also going to be $20. So you get the one with the 2 roses or the single rose. They have this little wood block sign here. This is going to be $13. Love the colors on here though. This cute little couple under the umbrella are the rabbits. They have the little purple egg there and the blue umbrella. Those are going to be $13. And there's this little chick couple. They come together as one piece. It's going to be $11, $10.99. They are so sweet. This is a cute little sipper as well. It says, "My parents think they're in charge." That's so cute. And it is a metal tumbler here, and that's going to be $15. For $20, there's this book here, Jesus Listens for Lent and Easter, Prayers for the Season by Sarah Young. They have a Snoopy towel here for $12. Yeah, 12. It says Happy Spring. And there's this large woodblock sign of the bunny with the floral design on top that does have that high gloss kind of finish on it. That's going to be 25. Cute little puzzle piece stuffed animals here for 13. You got the lamb and the floppy-eared bunny. They have a few more of these reusable bags here for Easter. So this one says Happy Easter in the pink. And this one has the sunflower field on it. The grass withers and the flowers fade, but the word of our God endures forever. Isaiah 48. They also have this tea towel here. It says He is risen for 8. They also have Peter Rabbit here for 17. They also have this large squishy carrot for $8.99. I know kids are really liking these. To me, it just feels kind of weird, but they have these here. And they have a little child-size thermos. This one's going to be 15. This little story of Easter here is really cute. It's a little playbook. So, sorry about that. Little playbook, and the pages are kind of cut out. It makes the scene up at the top. That is really cute. That's only $8 for that. There's also Winnie the Pooh in an Easter basket for 13, I think it said. Yeah, 13 for him. There's also this Grumpy Bunny book here, and it has the textured nose and the textured carrot. So they all have different textures on the inside there for the story. That's going to be 11. And this sweet little lamb is going to be 13. There's also these cute little dolls here in the pink dress and the white dress. These are going to be 17 each. They have these carrot highlighters here for 5. They also have a collection of cross earrings and necklaces and such. So this one here with the cross with the hearts, that's really pretty. Those are going to be 15. The matching necklace is going to be 18. They also have this really pretty bracelet in silver with the crosses. That's going to be 20. There's this double necklace here for 27 in the gold. That's really cute. And if you like a little more bling, there's this one for 18. This one's going to be 20, and this one's 22. And the ring is going to be 20, and you can see they do have them in sizes, so they don't stretch or adjust to different sizes. You have to get the right size for your finger, but they do have them in multiple sizes. And these baguette earrings are really pretty as well. Those are going to be 15. And if you have a little one, they have a whole bunch of Easter bibs and shoes and things. So this one's going to be 15. The pink little tutu and the bunny headband is going to be 25. They have a whole pack of different headbands, or clips rather, for 15. This little bunny hat and little socks those are going to be 20. And this little pack is also going to be 20. This adorable bunny sweater is going to be 25. This whole outfit here is going to be 40 with the pants, the shirt, and the vest. This cute little Easter hat is going to be 20. There's a different bib and sock set for 15. And this little outfit is going to be 30. These adorable little bunny shoes for the kiddos for 20. There's also this adorable little 3-piece swaddling set. So it has the bib, the swaddle, and the hat with the little ears on it. It's gonna look like that. There's a little sign that says "My First Easter." Sorry, I thought that was a bib for a second, but it's a wood piece there that says "My First Easter." And that's gonna be 25 for this little set. And that's gonna do it for our walkthrough here at Cracker Barrel today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to have you as part of the community, so hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one.